sir. So can you please give a brief overview?
Yeah. Hello. My name is Subramaniam. I currently work for Rakuten, India. I head the technology portfolio division there. I have around 30 years of experience in the IT and product and technology, working across globally, US, India, UAE, mostly focused on building transformative solutions, innovations, using product and technology for business.
Sir, so in around 30 years of experience, what are the key career learnings that you have understood that has helped you to grow?
The key learnings is essentially for me is like how do you be obsessed about customer and customer problems. That's going to be very, very important. And second is essentially, and especially with the AI now, how is always easier to figure it out. The what and why is very, very important. And the third is end of the day we all work with and work for people. And how do you understand people? How do you take everyone along? How do you develop next generation of leaders? And these are very, very important, I would say, essentially.
Sir, and as a leader, what do you think has differentiated yourself from the other leaders around you, which has helped you become very successful?
I think I always believe every leader is unique, as every individual or human being is. And what leadership experience shapes is based on what they have gone through in their journey. So that's what I strongly believe. For me, after so many years now, what have come to an understanding is what I generally call this as the 3 pillars of transformation, which is trust, quality, and delivery excellence, which connects to trust to people, quality to the process, delivery excellence to the product and technology. So I think these 3 has to be aligned and move in the certain direction. That's how the organization objectives and outcomes are met and business thrives. So to me, that is my leadership lesson, or what has helped me and differentiate, or something which is unique to me, which I'm passionate.
And sir, lastly, you have been in the campus since yesterday. So what has been your take on the campus and other people that it brings the first?
I think it's amazing, wonderful what you all are doing here. Thanks to the XLRI management and faculties and board members who are enabling this, because this is very, very much needed. And thanks to the Prabhati's team, Kushal, Arpita, and all the Pradesh core team members. I think it is very, very important to have the collaboration between industry and education institutions, because you are going to get out of here and then face the real world. And how do you learn about it much before you get out? And having this connect, understanding the actual, real world industry use cases and getting yourself prepared for that is much, much needed. I think in a way, all of you are doing phenomenal work. So continue doing that. Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you. Thank you.